Hi, good morning. Now I am going to take a seminar on green engine and its working principle and its advantages and its disadvantages. The first is introduction. The green engine is one of the most interesting discoveries of the new millennium. The efficiency of the engine is high when compared to the contemporary engine, and also the exhaust emissions are zero. Compared to conventional piston engine operated on the four phases, the green engine is an actual six-phase internal combustion engine which is more higher expansion ratio. In green engine, the period is given to the complete mixing of the fuel with the air, thereby causing its complete burning. The next is why we choose the green engine. Today, the world is facing serious pollution crisis due to the exhaust gases from the vehicles using the petroleum-based fuel. The pollutants like HC, NOx occurs due to the incomplete combustion of the fuel. These pollutions are very harmful to human being, causing various disease. The IAE oil market report forecast worldwide average demand of nearly 96 million barrels of oil on liquid fuels per day. That works out to more than 35 million barrels a year, of which about 50% is used in communications and transportations. The world has 53.3 years left to find an alternative to oil before current crude reserves run dry, according to British Petroleum. To counter this problem, the concept of green engine is introduced. Pollution is minimized by invention of the green engine. It is a multi-fuel engine, thereby the fuel crisis can be overcome. The next you will see the principle and the construction of the green engine. When compared to the conventional engine, it has six phases of the working principle. The priority is given to the complete mixing of the fuel with air, thereby causing the complete burning. The six phases are intake, compression, mixing, combustion, power, and exhaust. The components of the green engine are a pair of rotors, a set of vents, two air intake ports, two spark plugs, two fuel injectors. The figure shows the working principle of the green engine. I discussed in the previous. It has six stages such as intake, compression, mixing, combustion, power, and exhaust. And also the parts of the green engine are fuel injector, spark plug, vanes, exhaust valve, rotors, compass, and inlet valve. The next we will detail discuss about the six phases of the green engine. The first is intake. The air is admitted directly inside the compression chamber. The air does not undergo any treatment before entry. The air filter is directly connected to the entry of the intake pipe. The amount of air intake can be varied as per the fuel used. A duct is provided on the sides of the vanes and rotates. When air moves through the duct, strong swirl generates. Air pushes the vane blade, imparts rotation in the small rotates. The inlet duct ends with very narrow opening to the chamber. The next is the compression. The air admitted in then enters into the compression chamber. The compression chamber has variable area. The central disk arm pushes the air in the compression chamber. The compression chamber is connected to the combustion chamber by small diameter duct, which is tangent to the combustion chamber. So as the arm pushes the air in the compression chamber, the pressurized air is forced to flow through the duct. The air flow through it, the air is very fast. The air thus enters the combustion chamber. in the next PPT, we will detail discuss about the remaining four phases of the green engine. Thank you.